I just showed up to one of my showings today, my first showing of the day. I've been so busy, you guys. But let's go ahead and look what we got coming in before they get in here. So this is when you first come into the house. So I already did a quick little tour, turned on all the lights. So I like to have different type of fixtures here, you guys. So I'm guessing that the appliances, they are included. And they do have an island here, which is really, really nice. So they have the island here. Let's look, see what else they got going on. So they building one right next door. It look just like this one too, you guys. So like they still were doing like the finishing touches on it, but we kind of want to be the first one to come see it. So this is a brand new home. Nobody's been in here before. So don't forget, this still is the kitchen. So I guess this will be like extra. This will be like your pantry right here. Extra space for you. Then you have this space. You know you don't want everybody in your house. You send them through that door right there because they can come in through here and come right over here. But you have a closet space. You can go ahead and put whatever you want to put in the closet, or they can come right in through the back door. And then too, I like that they already have this here. Like, you see that, you guys? You can already go hang up your coats when they first come in. Put your shoes here. Get you a nice little rack. And then you got a half bathroom down here. But yeah, you got a half bathroom here. So let me show you guys the bathroom. So yes, a half bathroom downstairs, but I already looked upstairs and there's 2 full bathrooms upstairs. And the basement, it's nothing that's like too extravagant that I really want to show you guys. But it's one thing I want to teach you guys about that's downstairs in the basement. So I'll show you guys that. So let's go ahead and go upstairs. So this is upstairs, another nice light. This is different. So I'm guessing this has to be the master bedroom because it's the biggest bedroom that they have. So they have a ceiling fan in here, which is great. And a walk-in closet. See, they got a walk-in closet here, which is really nice. So you can store all your stuff in there. And then too, this is the full bath too. Again, it's me. So this is the full bath here. Look at the nice shower. I really like the shower. I still like that double shower we seen yesterday though. I really like the double shower from yesterday. But yeah, this is the full bath. And don't forget too, this is the master bedroom. So let's go outside the master bedroom. That's looking down the stairs. And then this is just a full bathroom here. And you have a closet here so you can store all the towels in here. I love that. Like, that is an extra bonus there. So here's another bedroom here. And they got a ceiling fan in here, which is really nice too. So they got a ceiling fan in this bedroom. Let's turn off the lights because I'm leaving the lights off and I'm going to turn it on with them so that they can see it. It's different when you come in when it's dark and you start turning lights on. So yep, that's the other bedroom. And then here's the closet. So here's the closet for that bedroom here. But yeah, that's really all of the house, you guys. That's like everything. Again, this is the bathroom. This is the full master bedroom there with the full bath. So yeah, that's everything. Now let me show you this thing I want to show y'all in this basement. Remember I told you guys how you can have a bedroom in the basement? Let me show you what I mean by that. So this is back in the kitchen. I love this kitchen. Maybe I should do this as my do that as my thumb. my thumbnail for YouTube. So this is the basement. When I say this is a new construction, you can smell it. Like, it smells brand new. So look, there's room under the stairs. I remember I told you guys about that before. You have room under the stairs here. And then so they have 2 windows here. Now look at this window here. This is good for if you want to have a bedroom in the basement, because you can just climb right on out of here without any problem. So if you ever think about having a bedroom in the basement, make sure you look into getting one of these windows put in. Or like, I remember when I had my daycare, you was able to have a daycare in the basement only if you had a window like this. So definitely look into that. Now look at this electrical box, y'all. This thing is long. I never seen one this long before. Like, what are you hooking up in here, y'all? It's a lot. And it's labeled bath outlets, laundry. So if you guys don't know, sometimes when people label this stuff, you can't understand it. I'd rather them have really stuck it on here too with something where we can, I know, better handwriting. But this is the furnace right here, bedroom number 2 and 3 in the bath. So the kitchen outlets, the dining room outlet, so everything is here. So if something ever goes out, like, oh my gosh, my laundry isn't working, what's going on with my dryer, then you know that you may have to play with that right there. But keep this in mind too, not an electrician. My electrician always remind me that. So you guys definitely have somebody come in and label it, or if you have any problems, then you can go and work on that, you guys. But I think that's everything in this house. I have 3 more to do, so I'll see you guys later.